Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham Shaki bin Sharil. My number is 200793. Today we are going to talk about ARINC 629 data bus. Next slide.
My name is Sairul Faiz bin Hassan Hafiz, 200289. So what is ARINC 629? ARINC 629 is communication system that is the primary means of digital communication between line and replaceable unit on the modern aircraft. ARINC 629, a multi-user data bus, present the first application of multi-transmitted digital data bus on the Boeing 777 family of commercial airplanes. This communication system supports new advanced systems on the modern Boeing and Airbus aircraft. So, furthermore, to certify the 777 FBW program, the flight control design and development process consider all requirements from airplane functional group, certification agency, customer in service experience, technology trends, and design paradigm. The Boeing 777 FW requirements were then derived and developed. So the purpose of this article is to describe the new technologies employed directly and indirectly for the 777 primary flight control system, and particularly about ARINC 629. Next slide.
My name is Muhammad Adal Umar Nusni. My matric number is 200596. I will continue what is said, and my next point is history, about history of ARINC 629. So ARINC is a major company that develops and operates systems and service to ensure the efficiency, operation, and performance of the aviation and travel industries. So what we can say that ARINC 629 was introduced in May 1995 and is currently used on Boeing 77. So Boeing 77 is the first aircraft that used, and also Boeing 737 MAX. Beside these two, Airbus A330 and A314 aircraft also use it. So the ARINC 629 bus is a true data bus. In the bus operate as a multiplexing system, which is terminal can transmit data to and retrieve that data. So for the Adiru and Saru, Adiru is the short of the word from a data into the reference unit, and so Adiru is a key component of the integrated air data inertial reference systems, which supplies air data as PNG of attack and altitude, and inertial reference position and altitude. So this for history, and next slide.
Okay, now we are going to talk about how the working principle of the ARINC 629 data bus. The ARINC 629 computer bus was introduced in May 1995 and used in Boeing 777 and Airbus aircraft. The ARINC 629 bus operates as a multiple source, multiple sync system. Each terminal can transmit data, receive data, and every other terminal on the data bus. This allows much more freedom in the exchange of data between units in the avionics system. Nampak kuat? The ARINC 629 has the ability to accommodate up to a total of 128 terminals on a data bus and supports a data rate of 2 megabit per second. Dah nampak kuat dah. The ARINC 629 data bus was developed by the Airlines Electronic Engineering Committee to replace the ARINC 629 bus. The ARINC 629 data bus was based on the Boeing data bus. While some people expect the Boeing 77 will be the first and the last aircraft to use the ARINC 629 data bus, the ARINC 629 data bus is also used on the Boeing 737 MAX and Airbus A330 and A340. Next.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Taufik Azizi bin Ajman and my matric number is 200802. As what Chowki just said just now, ARINC 629 bus is a true data bus that each terminal can transmit data to and receive data from every other terminal on the data bus. As shown on the figure, we can see the topology of ARINC 629 data bus. Next slide. So ARINC 629 data bus has some application in aircraft. The first one is in aircraft development. ARINC 629 civil aircraft avionic data bus standard has been applied by Boeing in the development of the new 777 aircraft and is intended to provide general purpose data communication between avionics subsystems in future civil IMA, which is integrated modular avionic architecture. The 629 standard describes two independent medium access level protocols for communication across a common multiple access database, and these are known as the basic protocol and the combined protocol. Estimate of worst case end-to-end application to application message transmission delays are derived. These are expressed in terms of design time bus configuration parameters. And the second application that ARINC 629 will use is in communication. So in June of this year, 2020, the ARINC 629 digital communication system began supporting revenue service as the primary means of digital communication of the 777 Boeing first fly-by-wire aircraft. This achievement comes as a result of almost 2 decades of development effort at Boeing and its suppliers. Next.
My name is Muhammad Azra Arif bin Muhammad Rizalman and my matric number is 201030. In conclusion, data transmission method had developed with the rapid development in technology, and because of the increase in requirement, electronic communication had begun to be insufficient. Basically, electronic communication is realized by changing the position of the electron. So, the factor like the type, structure, dimension of the conductor that is used affect the speed of communication. Light is known as the most rapid existent in universe. As a result of investigation, light is begun to use for communication beside the sun or and electricity. On the aircraft, physically parameter taken from different point, and the information carried with electromagnetic wave are converted into electrical signal is transmitted to the related system. At this study, after examining the digital data transmission standard in general and for avionics system, the usage of them on aircraft are examined by ARINC 629 data bus standard is examined in detail. The high standard of protocol is example in diversity of the place of use, even though it is naturally designed specifically for Boeing 777 and speed. As such, data are transmitted at 2 Mbps. The special feature when using the ARINC protocol is the fact that in the standard, there is no essential difference between the civilian and military version. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.